The batter hit the ball, but the sound is strange.
Towards what?
However, the game continues for now. It turns out the bat had broken, and the player switches to another bat. But then, this bat also breaks. It was none other than cork. Bats filled with cork are lighter than other bats, which can give the player an advantage over those using regular bats. And this is one of the violations listed in the rule. The material of the bat is more important than one might think. A typical example is aluminum, which can hit well, even with a poor connection. Eventually, facing disqualification, the player claims he didn't know. However, many believe that if it were intentional, he would have been caught when the first bat broke, suggesting that there were more opinions in his defense.